love pasta, this is going to be your Willy Wonka moment. By now, the chances are you've seen Barilla pasta in the supermarket aisle. It's the #1 pasta brand in Italy, and we've been given exclusive access to where it all takes shape.
It's a 24/7 pasta plant, and the numbers here of production are absolutely unbelievable. You won't believe them, really.
Hey, can you imagine they make 40 tons of pasta here, and that's only every hour. So if you're really good at maths, you'll know that that's 300,000 tons of pasta every single year.
So that translates to 3 billion pasta dishes on plates around homes every single year. 3 billion.
That is absolutely incredible!
We are going to more than 120 countries, and Australia is one of the most important.
Plant manager Paulo Federici is also our tour guide. Thank goodness, because it's easy to get lost around here. And only in Italy do you see the workers getting around on tricycles. So Italian.
For us, the quality of the product, the food safety for our customers is the first priority of the company. And we are also doing business, but this can be good for us, but also good for the planet.
Like sourcing 300 million free-range eggs each year, something a lot of other pasta brands simply don't do.
Here we have a spaghetti.
Okay.
And spaghetti is the best-seller product that we are producing.
Spaghetti has always been a family favourite in Australia, and we buy more spaghetti #5 than any other Barilla product.
Okay.
Oh, very nice. It's still warm.
Yeah, it's still warm, it's fresh, the humidity is 30% now. At the end of the process will be 12.5, so we need to dry the pasta.
Sammy, look how amazing they are. It was just produced and now we're going to be cooking with it.
Hot off the press.
The production plant is in a town called Parma, famous for Parmesan cheese and other very Italian produce like prosciutto, basil, and the finest wheat on the planet. We've been lucky enough to take in all the sights and flavours of the region. It really does give these guys a huge advantage in making the best quality pasta and sauces you can buy.
We are making a tortellini here, so we are receiving the filling on this part here. On the top we are making the dough, and here is coming down. We are adding the filling to the dough, the same our grandmother are doing at home.
Whether it's simple penne or investing in the technology to bring us the tastiest gluten-free pasta, Barilla is supremo in Italy for a reason. And if this really was the Willy Wonka factory, Bella and I just received our golden ticket tour. Hopefully you've enjoyed the ride too.